What's the meaning of bargee? Bargee. Bargee.
Bargee. Bargee. The term bargee typically refers to someone who works on a barge, which is a flat-bottomed boat used for transporting goods along canals and rivers. Barges are often used to transport heavy or bulky items such as coal, grain, and building materials. Barges may be responsible for operating the barge, loading and unloading cargo, and maintaining the vessel. In some cases, the term may also be used more broadly to refer to anyone who lives and works on a boat or navigates inland waterways. The life of a bargee can be tough and demanding, but it can also offer a unique and rewarding way of life for those who are passionate about the waterways.